I heard about Summer Rise through email. My principal sent out emails and my mom told me about it and she was like, this sounds like such a great opportunity.
I think it is a great opportunity for the students to get out there and find out what they like, and I think also equally as important is finding out what they don't like.
The Summer Rise experience has been great. I met a lot of great people, learned a lot about cars, stuff I knew and stuff I didn't know. And I found that it's actually way harder than I thought it was going to be.
Always wanted to be a dentist, it's just I've never really experienced it firsthand. And so when I came here, I got to watch Dr. K and I got to watch how she treats the other patients and how they responded. It really did make me feel happy. It made me proud to want to be a dentist.
There are a lot of unique opportunities I get access to because of Summer Rise, like at BlackRock, where I'm currently at. I find myself wanting to come back and put more hours in because it's a really fun place to be in. I find that it's really rewarding to help the community in such a really impactful way.
It's a great segue to going into adulthood and finding what I want to do.
When we go into Summer Rise program, we aren't kids anymore. We have to act as adults.
Showing up and getting the work done is really where the learning starts.
It's been really interesting. I didn't think it would be this hands-on, getting opportunities to talk with officers and learning from their experiences. So honestly, it's the coolest thing I've done all summer.
Many years ago when I was in high school, we had those career days and you get one side of what people do for their jobs. But being a host in Summer Rise, you get to give a multifaceted view of what your career actually is. And you get to leave that lasting impression on that student whom you might be working next to in a couple of years.
Stand clear.
What surprised me the most about the Summer Rise students is the skill sets that they're bringing to the table. I mean, really, all of them are ready to be hired for a part-time job. We have photographers and web designers and writers. We have an art student who's measuring the space for a gallery. We have folks that are packing up bags of food and loading trucks. Congrats, Montgomery County Public Schools, because the kids that are coming in are really ready to get to work.
Everyone is smart, everyone is asking questions, and everyone is wanting to learn. I wanted to be able to give back to the next generation because if our ancestors had not done that for us, we would not be where we are today. So they are the future. So now I feel it's important that we pass that wisdom to them.